Hello, welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock, we have this 2012 62 plate Mini Cooper Convertible. Finished in lightning blue metallic. It's a nice spec car. It has reverse parking sensors. It's the upgraded 16-inch alloy wheels. Black sport seats. It has DAB radio. If I go into reverse, you can see it brings a little sonar up on there as well. It has Bluetooth. And its other settings, phone contact, new services, settings and CD multimedia. Has the mini visual boost, cruise control. This one has a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control as well. You can see it's done 77,254 miles. They do also have 2 keys. Not much space in the back. Pretty clean for this, given the age and mileage of the car. No obvious issues. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or you want to make an appointment to have a look at the car, please don't hesitate to give us a call, or you can email me sales@hypermotive.co.uk.